Amy's class has come to the farm. Let's see what they get up to. Welcome. Let's read. Come to the farm. The special word in this story is the sight word. Come. Come. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. We come to the farm. We come to the farm. We come to see the animals. We come to see the animals. Come and see the cow. Come and see the cow. Come and see the sheep. Come and see the sheep. Come and see the pig. Come and see the pig. The animals come to us. The animals come to us. The farm is fun. The farm is fun. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green. Come. Can you read this page? It says, we come to the farm. Can you also read this page? It says, come and see the cow. Read. What does Amy want us to see? A pig. It says come and see the pig. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Come. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice spotting the word come. First, can you find the word come? Which is the word come? Come. Again, find the word come. Here it is. Come. Last one. What letter does the word come start with? Come. It's C. Come. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.